बँकर, बॉरोवर, इन्शुरन्स. जागो, ग्राहक, जागो. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Myself, Advocate Mahesh Kabra. Today's topic is bank and insurance claim. Whether banker is liable for negligent and deficient services in case rejection of insurance claim. Let us examine some orders from Honorable Supreme Court. Banker extended credit facilities. Two documents were executed. Under the deeds, borrower's obligation to keep hypothecated asset insured, but bank retained the liberty to obtain insurance. Bank has exercised the option, debited the premium. Fire in the premises of the company, which caused damage to the stock and machineries. Company lodged claim with assurance company. From the survey, company came to learn that policy did not cover plant, machinery and accessories. Company approached National Commission with a claim of rupees 2 crore, which accepted plea of company that there was a deficiency of service on the part of bank, directed banker to pay compensation of rupees 31,76,000 with interest at 9%. Appeal against that order filed. Honorable Supreme Court held that effecting insurance was not a banker's absolute obligation, but such obligation banker has taken it upon themselves. Banker has not provided any reason as to why entire set of hypothecated asset not covered. Hence, appeal of insurance company dismissed. Reference Canara Bank versus Leatherall Plastics Private Limited. In another matter, insurance company has launched a group accident policy. Bank would deduct amount of rupees 100 as a premium from account holder for insurance cover of rupees 5 lakhs. Account holder met with an accident and succumbed to his injuries. Death claim was submitted. Insurance repudiated the claim that premium had not been forwarded by the bank together with firm. Hence, legal heirs filed consumer complaint. District Consumer Forum allowed the complaint and bank was directed to pay rupees 5 lakhs with interest at 6%. Revision filed by bank. Bank was held guilty, but bank was directed to pay rupees 2 lakhs instead of rupees 5 lakhs. Hence, appeal arises from judgment of National Commission. Honorable Supreme Court held that there was no justification for National Commission to reduce compensation against the bank from 5 lakhs to 2 lakhs. Compensation was enhanced from 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs. Reference Hemiben Ladabhai Bhandari versus Saurashtra Gramin Bank. Thus, banker can be held liable and responsible for deficient services. Jago, Grahak, Jago. Thanks for your kind attention. Please subscribe. Please like.